I choose foods that heal my body. Every bite I take brings me closer to wellness. My body is strong, capable, and wise. I honor my body by nourishing it daily. I crave what's good for me. Healthy eating is a form of self-love. I am thankful for fresh, living foods. My body responds positively to care and consistency. I trust the healing power of nature. I am worthy of good health. I release unhealthy habits that no longer serve me. My energy increases as I eat better. I make choices that align with my highest good. I'm in harmony with my body. Every cell in my body vibrates with health. I am grateful for foods that support my healing. I feed my body with intention and love. I deserve to feel good in my body. My body thanks me for every healthy choice I make. I love and appreciate the body I'm in. This is the awakening. Breathe, heal. Eat for life.